welcome back to my channel. We're here with another video. Today is gonna be a cute, fun video for all the people who love watching baby hauls like I do. That's what we'll be doing today. Today we're gonna do a baby haul. It's the first baby haul of the things that I personally bought for him so far, as far as like clothing and different things like that. So we're gonna go over that. I'm gonna show you guys what I got for him. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys. This basket is heavy, but I'm gonna show you guys. I got this basket, little elephant basket. I got this from Amazon. So I'm gonna be going through that basket. And guys, like, this is like my third video I'm knocking out my videos in one day. You know, like, if you're pregnant, you may be tired, fatigued, whatever, and you just do not have the energy sometimes to like do anything. So today, since I have the energy, I'm like, let's knock these videos out. So let's get into the video. So my personal favorite movie is The Lion King. So you know I'm gonna have him loving The Lion King. So I got him a Simba stuffed animal. So I got him that. I'm just gonna throw these over there. I got these cute pack of socks. Got him these socks from Gerber. I ordered them online from Gerber. So I'll put all the links, excuse me, in the description box. So these are the socks that I got him. I'm gonna try to remember where I got everything from. I think all the tags is pretty much still on there. I haven't washed any of his stuff yet. I'll do that maybe like a month before he gets here. So I got him these jumpsuits, cute jumpsuits. It says Wild's little one, and then it came in a pack of 2. So it came with this one also. Yeah. Then I got him, this is also from Gerber, a pack of 3 bodysuit sets. So it comes with this one. It comes with a plain gray one, and it comes with different animals on this one, and that's from Gerber. I got him a pack of hats. I got him a pack of hats because he's definitely gonna be a winter baby. He's gonna be born straight in winter, and we live in Jersey, so it's gonna be cold. I got him a pack of 3 hats in gray. I got him, my husband picked this out, and if you know my husband personally, you're like, I can see him wearing this. My husband wears stuff like this all the time. Like, he's a button-up type of guy. So he picked this one out for him. So cute. Be matching his father with that. I got him a pack of joggers. So this one has cars on it, and this one is gray, and this one is from, I think I got this one from Children's Place. I believe I got this one from Children's Place. Yeah, I believe I got that one from Children's Place. Also got him a pack, remember the socks that I just showed you guys a few minutes ago? So these pack of onesies match that. So it got, oh boy, you got the stripe, the orange and the gray stripe, so cute. You got another black and white stripes, and I got all these in 0 to 3 months because I'm not sure how big he's gonna be. Right now he's measuring a little bigger than the average size, so he might be a little big boy. I have no idea, but we'll see. That one has spikes on it and another stripe. So that came in a pack of 5. And if you can see, like, I'm loving the safari type of thing. Like, that's gonna be his nursery theme. Once we move, I'm definitely gonna have a nursery, a safari nursery for him. So He got, you know, the little lion. It says I'm brave and strong, and this is also from Gerber, and it came in a pack with the pants, and it came with this Born to Be Wild, and this is also 0 to 3 months. Cute. I love like the fall colors. Even though he's gonna be a winter baby, we can rock some fall colors, you know. I don't want to be like just all blues and just blues. I want to have some like dark green, some olive, some burgundy, like dark blues. Like I love like those type of colors, like the warm colors. I love. I'm not really a blue person, but I did get some blue because he's a boy. But this one says one day I'll make history, and I got that from Gerber, and it came with this pants, this jogger pants. It has animals on it, and then it has another onesie that says hey hi roar. Also, because I'm going to be going with a safari nursery theme, I picked him up this giraffe stuffed animal. Hey baby, hey. But yeah, I got him this giraffe stuffed animal, and I'm trying to get all the stuffed animals, like maybe an elephant, you know, cute little safari rawr theme. Also I got him a good amount of stuff so far by myself, and I had to stop myself. If you guys are first time moms, or even a mom in general, and you love to shop like I do, you have to stop yourself. But this is my first child, and I can't stop shopping. Every day I'm looking at new things. I put things in my cart all the time, and everybody's like, Shantae, now you know you even have your baby shower yet. Wait until people buy things. Like, don't get everything. Like, just wait. And it's so hard because I just want to shop. I just want to get him things. Like, I don't even go in the store for myself. I just go in the store for him. Like, I want to go to Carter's. I want to go in the baby section. Like, can't wait, you know? So I can't wait for the baby shower, so like I can see what everybody gets him, and then whatever they don't, then I'll get it. So I got him this, it says Daddy's Little Dude, a long sleeve one, and Too Cute for Words. My little baby gonna be in there a few more months. They gonna be rocking my baby. You guys can tell that I'm excited. So my camera died, so the quality may have changed for the better or the worse. We'll see. So let's continue the video. So I got 4 flannel blankets, and this is from Gerber. More blankets from Gerber. Got a pack of 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Pack of 4. I got a pack of white socks. Can never have enough of these. Can never have enough. Someone got him this at the gender reveal. It's a sippy cup. I got him some more socks, and I got these from Kohl's for $5.60. Not sure if that was a good price or not, but it was from Carter's. Brown, white, and gray. Pack of white bibs. I got all the white things I got before I knew what I was having, so I decided to go with neutrals at first. I got, these are burp cloths. Burp cloths. And you know, I saw this like last blanket in Bye Bye Baby, and it's the Simba blanket. I'm so in love. It's my favorite movie. So I got him this Simba blanket. I got him a pack of white onesies. More socks. Not sure if I really like these, but I bought them. But I'm sure. he can wear it in the house, whatever. But some neutral socks. I got him these before I was even pregnant. I was like manifesting, and I bought some booties, and I got this from Kate Quinn, these little booties. I got these last year, December, these little booties, so cute. So I got 3 colors. I don't know where the other one is, but I got this color, like a fall color. I have a green one. Not sure if he'll wear this one because, I'm not sure, because of when he's gonna be born. I don't think that color really goes with winter, or maybe it does, I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, I got him this, and I have another one. I just don't remember the color, but I got him a few of those booties. And lastly, yeah, this somebody else had bought a bottle from the general sale. So that was everything in the basket that I have for him so far as clothing goes. I have a lot of other things that people have sent to us from our registry. I'll have another video of like maybe a baby shower haul in the future. Our baby shower will be next month, so maybe our baby shower is at the end of October, so maybe I'll do a baby shower haul in November, maybe a few weeks after that, because I'm gonna be really tired. But yeah, maybe I'll just get it done that weekend, like after the baby shower, while everything's out and not packed, I'll do like a big baby shower haul. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in that, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll put some links in the description box of some of the things, if I can find them, in the description box. Be sure to share with your friends. If you any mommy viewers or anybody who's a mom, comment. I love to respond to people, talk to people. I'm looking for mommy friends, so follow me. Also follow me on my socials at sashay.shantae. That might change very soon because, you know, things change, and when you become a mom, you get older, you may want to change things, so that may change. But click the bell notification bell so you never miss another video, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you.